Hi, welcome back. This is the video in continuity to part 1 content writing video. So, we'll start with a question. Do you want to become a content writer, or do you want to settle your job career as a content manager? So, this is the right place and with right info. So, let's start. In this video, I'll be sharing 5 important points in order to build a great content, in order to have a good writing, content writing skill. So, the 5 important points while writing or while uh, doing our content writing project. So, tip number 1, before starting your content writing project or before starting your content writing, you need to do a detailed keyword research. Keyword research related to your business, that can be related to your product. So, detailed keyword research is required in order to build a list of keywords. So, after keyword research, you will be having a list of keywords, maybe 20 or 30 or 50 keywords. So, that list is important for you. That is tip 1. So, next, point 2, we'll be talking about structure of the content. So it cannot be in general as we wish. There should be, and there should be some structure, and we need to follow certain structure to write a content writing project. So it starts with page title or headline, page headline. Then comes the summary of the content or article. Maybe the overview within 4 to 5 lines. Then comes headline 1 or main heading, followed by description. And then comes subheadings, headline 2, H2, description, headline 3, and in continue. They are all subheadings. So basically, this is the structure we need to follow. The page title, the summary part, then comes the main headline, the description, and continuity subheadings. So this is the structure we need to follow. So point number 3. So whether we might be taking a copywriting project, or whether we are writing an article about something, or whether we are writing an ebook, for any such kind, for any content writing project, the minimum size of the project or minimum size should be of 1200 to 1500 words. So the content should be included with 1200 to 1500 words per article. So that should be the size. So that is also a tip to be followed, not smaller than that. It can be a little bit bigger, longer, no problem. That is point number 3. So point number 4 is inclusion of keywords. So whatever list we have through keyword research, that list of keywords should be included in our content, in our web page content. So it should not be like particular word stuffing. No, it should go with the flow, content flow, and we need to include those keywords in the content to make keyword rich content. So that is most important, and that is what required for the client. Keyword rich content is required for any business client. So that is very much valuable and that is very much demanding. So inclusion of keywords is point number 4. And the last important point is, even though while writing our content, following our structure, inclusion of keywords with the size, the other important point is keeping our client or keeping our website visitor in mind. So at any point of the content which we write, we need to keep our website visitor in mind, and we need to try to engage that client with some sort of little question, a little bit of survey mode, or little bit of exemplary content with giving small examples. Ultimately we need to engage the website visitor, so that should be in mind, in our back of the mind. So engagement of the website visitor is most important. So ultimately the output should be good, engaging, keyword rich content. That is most important. So if we could write such content, we are called as professional content writers and professional content managers. So this is not impossible with skill, learning of the skills, with learning of other tips and tricks, with practice, we will get expertise. So there is a huge demand in the market, as I said in the previous video, more than 20,000 jobs right now, and thousands of online projects, so that we can work as a freelancer also with this content writing skills. Got it? So one more point I would like to add. So if somebody wants to start, so they think about the criteria or eligibility to start this career. So only 3 points to mention. The criteria number 1 is we must have a basic English knowledge, basic English writing and speaking skills. That is one. Point number 2, we must have basic internet browsing skills, computer and internet browsing skills, basic skills, not advanced, nothing. That is point number 2. And the third important point is we must have an attitude to learn and explore new things in the internet, in the web, in online. So that attitude should be there. Attitude to learn and explore new things in the online. So these are the 3 points or points of criteria for anybody to start this content writing career. So it will be helpful as a freelancing jobs. It will be helpful to become a bigger level, to reach bigger level roles like content manager, uh, content marketing strategy specialist, different roles, different advanced roles, even bigger roles with bigger paychecks. So this is highly demanding skill, content writing and copywriting. So get started. We, as a digital marketing training academy, we are there to help you out. We are there to give our best support. You can write down your questions or queries to our mail as well as in the comment section below, so that we'll be giving much more info related to that, right? So please uh, don't forget to subscribe our channel SEO ADSPACE Academy, and also you can share this info with your friends as well in social media, right? So thanks for watching. So definitely We'll be doing much more informative, useful videos for you all. Thank you.